I kind of feel like I'm in like an artistic studio. Snow day here in New York. It's the camera case matching the bag and the shoes for me. Also got 3 new plants.
No basics on. Yeah. I'ma buy a measure for my mama when I finally make it. Take on my vacation. Pas de soleil, 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 pas de soleil.
What's good, Stushing? Welcome back to another day in the Stush Life. Today is January 31st, last day of the month, and we are at Ikea. So we really are just here for the vibes. We have no list, no plan. Listen, so stay tuned, keep watching, subscribe down below if you're not already subscribed, and let's get this vlog started. And you might get a projector. Ooh, buddy.
Oh, so the thing here.
Ooh, buddy.
The tablet.
It's the stove for me. Ooh, buddy. Beautiful. It's the camera case matching the bag and the shoes for me. We are still here. I look crazy, but OOTD. I am HUNGRY. Very. Plants, I'm coming for you. I'm coming for you. Candles on candles on candles on candles. This is cute. What's this? This smells so good. Can y'all smell this? Plants. Plants. Where are all the plants though? Where they at? It's flurrying. It's currently snowing. It's supposed to get a snowstorm today, so kind of head back ASAP because we're in Brooklyn. We live in the Bronx. Okay. Hello. I placed an order for pickup. Gang, happy February. Today is February 1st, so happy February to you. I hope you're having an amazing February so far. I know by the time this video goes up, it's probably gonna be like the middle of February, but listen, that's just how we kicking out content. Okay, we're filming in advance, we're pre-filming. I wanted to show you guys what I got from Ikea yesterday. Right now it's snowing. We're currently experiencing a snowstorm. Let me show you guys outside real quick. My car is covered. Can y'all see that? That's my car right there. And girl, it doesn't look bad on cam, but I promise you in person it's horrible. But yesterday I got this mirror from Ikea. It was only like $14.99, and to be honest, when you see the mirror in person, or even just me showing you guys the mirror, you're gonna be like, damn, that was only $14.99. I'll leave a link down below if you guys are interested, but I put it up on my little mini vanity. Y'all know I barely got space in my room, but we're still buying mirrors. For what? For why? I don't know, but it was really nice. I needed it, so I bought it. If I don't feel like we're holding my cutie mirror, I could just sit here and do my makeup and, you know, get the job done. So I did that. I got that. I also got 3 new plants. I got 3 new plants. My plan was to get maybe like a money plant. It was the money plant, or there's another plant that I want. I can't remember right now, but I didn't see any money plants. Like, all the plants were gone. Sorry, you guys just heard my tummy. I don't know why she acting like that already, but I didn't see any money plants at all. So I ended up getting 2 mini bromeliads. They're so cute. One is a flaming sword and the other one is just a regular bromeliad. So you guys, I don't know if you guys remember, but I actually bought a bromeliad back in the day. I named her, not back in the day, but in the summertime, and I named her Priscilla. Beautiful plant. I ended up killing it because I was watering it, the roots, or watering the soil instead of the shoot, which is like the little canal of the plant. So I was watering the wrong area and I didn't know, so I ended up killing her and I was so mad. So I did get another flaming sword, but she's a lot smaller compared to the other flaming sword that I had. And I also got a draconea. My first time having a draconea, so we're gonna see. I have faith that, you know, all these plants will live, okay? But yeah, I got 3 new plants. I just put them up next to where my other plants are. You guys saw that I redecorated my room, so my plants are now sitting on top of my Alex 9. If you haven't seen that video, I'll go ahead and leave it up above for you to check out where the plants are. It's not really by the window, so let me, hopefully you guys can see without me turning on the light. Oh, you can. Okay, good. Well, I just moved this, so she's sitting right there. Ooh, I love this little area, this little plant, my plant nook. That's what I'm calling it. See, I know I have my copper fridge, but these are the 2. These grow to be gorgeous, but they're not difficult to grow, but they don't require a lot, but they still require something, if that makes sense. And then this is my draconea. She's so cute. For all my people that don't care about plants, I'm sorry, but I'm gonna show my babies. And this is my new mirror. My mom put her paw prints on here, so I have to clean it off, but it's hella big, you guys. I had to move some stuff around. I still don't know how I'm feeling this setup, but as of right now, this is how it is. Snow day here in New York. It's supposed to be, it started snowing at like 6 o'clock yesterday on a Sunday, and it's still snowing. It snowed throughout the night. I think it's supposed to snow into Tuesday. So I'm just gonna get some work done today. I started my Valentine's shop promo for Caprial NYC. If you're new, I have a lash business, so I've been promoting over there. I have content that I created from last month, like reels and stuff to drop, and I have videos, so I'm probably gonna edit some of those today as well. And I need to work on something else that I have in the works that I don't want to talk about yet. So yeah, I'll probably catch you guys a little bit later. If it's snowing where you are, I know this, you're probably not going to see this video until after the snowstorm, but if it's snowing where you are, I hope you're staying safe, staying warm, and all that good stuff. So on my tea tab, it says give to others and give to yourself the same attention. Little inspo for your day. Hey gang, today is February 3rd. I think this might be my first day coming on here since February started. So happy February, okay? Happy Black History Month. Happy month of love, or whatever. So I just finished recording 2 videos. One of them I know for certain is good. The second one, I'm not too sure. Listen, I was tired. I shouldn't have pushed myself, but sometimes we need to push ourselves. I was only tired because it took me like an hour to make this one reel that should have been really simple, but it doesn't even matter. I came on here because I wanted to let you guys know that past, what is that, 2 days or 3 days, you guys haven't seen me because we had a snowstorm in New York City. So I haven't really been doing much except for like laying in my bed and getting work done. I've been doing a lot of stuff from my bed, editing videos or editing pictures or editing reels or just working on my site and stuff like that, promoting and just kind of planning. So that's the reason why you guys haven't really seen me. But I wanted to show you guys this because I did end up adding this to my wall. It is kind of lean, so don't judge it, but this is a corner in my room. So if you guys saw when I rearranged my room, then you guys know that I put these 2 things up. If you didn't see that video, I'll leave it up above. But I went ahead and added my dry erase board up on the wall as well. Again, it is a little lean because I did do this by myself, so I didn't really have much help, but I think it looks kind of cute. I got that dry erase board maybe like last year. I picked it up from Target. If I can still find it, I'll leave it linked down below. But I love it. So what I have written on there up until Friday, because I do work on Friday and Saturday, I basically just put down my schedule or put down the things that I want to upload on Instagram and on YouTube. So I'm using that for that right now. But right now my room is an absolute mess, you guys. But I'm liking how my room has been looking. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of feel like I'm in like an artistic studio. even though this is not a studio. But we have art over here. We got the door. Then I have some more my canvases, my pictures and stuff over there, and then my plants are right there. So I'm really liking the space. I will note that I kind of figured out my filming setup as well. I'm about to put these bad boys back in the closet because we have no space out here for them. But yeah, I did want to update you guys, let you know that I am liking my room after having changed it. So yeah, my plants are also doing really good so far. So far my plants are doing really good. Yeah, I'm gonna pack away all this stuff that I took out to record, get my room back in order, because right now it kind of looks a little crazy. You guys are also going to be seeing this video a little bit later. I think this video is going to be going up on a Sunday. So vlogs are still going to be going up on Friday, but today's vlog is actually going to be up on Sunday because Friday that just passed was a collaboration with my sis Ikea on YouTube. So do want to note that. And I'm actually starting to put my videos up now at 4. I think I want to do 4:35, one of the two. I'm gonna see how one of my videos performs today because that's supposed to be going up right now. So videos are either going to be up at 4:30 or 5. I'll definitely put something up on my community tab, so make sure you guys check that out, letting you guys know the time. Right now we playing around with it, seeing what time works best. Let me know if you guys have a preference, comment down below. Hey gang, so today is Friday, February 5th. I just got in from work not too long ago. I want to show you guys what I got from Shein yesterday. By the way, don't mind my face. I only did half my face, so literally from my nose up. So I did want to note that don't mind my appearance. I literally only do half my face whenever I go to work, if I do makeup, if I do wear makeup. I want to show you guys the 4 things that I got from Shein. So I ordered something else after I ordered my accessories that you guys saw in the last haul. I ordered 2 jumpsuits. One was black and the other one was a cream jumpsuit. Both of them have that little loop that you can put your finger through. I don't really know what that's called. And they both say lucky something. You will see it on the screen because I'm actually just going to put the video over. They both fit really nicely. I think I got an extra small in both, but I'll leave the links to both of the jumpsuits down below along with the sizes. I also got this brown top. I felt like it was really cute, and it has the drawstring feature on the side, so you can definitely, you know, make the scrunch up the sides a little bit, get a little bit more cute, show a little bit more skin. So yeah, this is a really cute top, brown top. I figured I could wear it with like my brown leather pants, or you know, I could dress it up as well with like some jeans and heels. And the last jumpsuit that I got was just a black jumpsuit because I don't have any jumpsuits, obviously. That's why I bought 3 at one time. I didn't know that this was gonna come with that stripe detail, but it's totally fine. You can't really see it from far, but I just wanted to get a few jumpsuits that I can, you know, throw on for if I want to run errands, or throw on with some heels, or throw on, you know, with a jeans jacket. Just a quick outfit. So I went ahead and picked up those. Those will be linked down below. I wanted to show you guys this jacket that I picked up. I waited for it to go on sale, then I used like my discount and all this other stuff, girl. Let me show you guys really quickly the jacket that I got from my job. Okay, so I'm gonna try it on. It's called a soft I was laughing at the name. It's called a soft coatigan. So a coat and a cardigan at the same time. I've never heard of that before, but it is this tan leather pleather jacket. It's not real leather, pleather jacket. Oh my god, they left the freaking what's it called on it. Wow, I have to bring it back to work. They left this on it. I did not steal it. It's on my receipt. Let me show y'all. Y'all don't think I'm just lying. See that coatigan? I know it's flipped. I know on the screen it'll show flip, but I did buy it. She left the sensor on it, so I have to bring it back tomorrow. What is going on outside? But I'm gonna try it on. I'm gonna bring it back tomorrow so they can take the sensor off. Hold on. So I have a bra on underneath this, so don't mind that, but this is it. I really like it, and it does have pockets as well. So this is it, real cute. I could definitely wear this with some booties. Could dress it down, but I like it. I was mad that they didn't have black, but I feel like the tan is really pretty as well. I feel like the color is not showing up as true as it should on camera. It's giving more olive. I don't know if that's any better. Does it still look olive? I don't know, but it's definitely more of a tan color in person. I really like it, but I'm just mad as hell that she left this on it, girl. Now I gotta bring it all the way back to work, because it's a good thing that I actually work tomorrow, because I'd have been mad if I had to drive all the way back over there just for that. But yeah, it's cute. I wish it were a little bit shorter. It stops like right above my knee, but it's fine. So let me know if you guys like this down below. It's pretty comfy. I also got an extra small, so I'll link it in the description box. This is from JCPenney. JCPenney be having some cute stuff sometimes, because yeah, I do know I work at Sephora, but I worked at the one inside of JCPenney. So this is it. Right now it's giving real modest vibes. It's giving modest clothing. but it's cute. Also picked up this Green Clean Melting Balm, Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. That's what it looks like. I enjoy the Clinique Take the Day Off Balm, but I want to try something new. So this one is from Pharmacy, so I'm gonna see how that works out. And I also went ahead and picked up, I didn't need this at all, but being that I love the Bum Bum cream so much, I picked up the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Touch hand sanitizer. This is what it looks like. This is what it looks like, and this was only $10. Granted, are we supposed to be paying $10 for hand sanitizer? Probably not, but I know exactly what it smells like, so I went ahead and got one of these. Yeah, it smells like Bum Bum cream. Probably not as overpowering as the original Bum Bum cream. I got this as well, keep it in one of my bags, but that's really everything that I have to show you guys today. I'm gonna go ahead, take my turban off, wash my face, and just wind down a little bit. I need to start editing. I'm gonna go ahead and end today's video out. I hope you guys really enjoyed today's vlog. I'm trying to think, what did we freaking do in today's vlog? What did we do? Girl, I just been vlogging and vlogging. A lot been going on. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. If you did, don't head out before leaving your girl a big thumbs up. Comment down below. Comment something down below. Let me know if you enjoyed the vlog. Let me know what was your favorite part of the vlog. Again, remember, I'll link everything that I mentioned today down below in the description box. Some of the links are affiliate links, so I might get a little percentage if you do make a purchase through those links. Do have to say that. Subscribe if you haven't already down below. Join the gang. We're on the road to 5K. We would love for you to join us along the journey, and make sure you also turn on your post notifications so that way you're alerted whenever I upload the next video. I've also been dropping videos a little bit later on in the day, so I've been trying to upload 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. I'm still testing it out, but if you guys have a preference, please comment down below. Me just making up times doesn't help if you don't like that time, you know, so comment a time down below. Comment a time that you normally watch my videos down below. Is it daytime? Is it morning? Is it nighttime? Let me know. But other than that, I love you guys. Thank you guys again for checking in for today's video, and until next time, I'll see you guys all later. Bye guys. Happy February. Did I come on here? Did February start as yet? Did I come on here? I don't remember. We would love for you to become a part of. We would love for you to become a part of. Hey gang. Today.